And let's eat breakfast and drink coffee. I'm here in the balcony. I'm eating here so that I can have sunlight while eating and drinking my coffee. I'm gonna eat rice today, but I already cooked paratha and egg for them. I leave some breakfast before I go out. Fish and ladyfinger with rice. Because I need to attend a training seminar today from 9 to 1. And not allowed to eat everywhere because still Ramadan. That's why I need to eat rice so that I won't be hungry right away. Happy weekend, guys. Wanna see the sun? The sun is there. The sun is there. See? But I need to comb my hair first before I eat. I'm the only one interested to attend the financial management training. All my friends didn't want to go. They don't want to attend. They don't want to learn how to manage their finance. So they always complaining that they are short of budget. They are in debt. There's so many problems. Me, I want to learn. That's why I'm gonna attend. Because I want to be financial stable when I retire. I want to retire to have meaningful and comfortable life. So I want to learn about financial management. I don't know the place yet, but I'm gonna ride taxi. I ride the taxi that the driver knows where that place is. I let the driver bring me there. My hair is hard to comb. It's very dry. That's why I'll try to hot oil my hair every week. Because it's so dry. Very dry. My hair is so dry.